This message is going out to Blizzard Entertainment, Ghost Crawler, I know you're watching, Bashiok. I just got off of Reddit.com, I got off 4chan/V, and guess what I found out? I found out this guy sent out a nice little press release last night to let everybody know that your servers have been compromised, and people had access to some personal information of mine, like my name and my account, my email address, and an encrypted version of my passwords. You know, no big deal. Answers to my secret questions. Pretty basic stuff. Kind of important. Yeah. And I saw it. In a little note you had on your website. Exactly how my roommate would let me know we were out of fucking milk by leaving a note on the refrigerator! You can't even be bothered to send me a fucking email! Oh, but how would I even know? How would I even know that it was a real fucking email? I get 246 phishing attempts for a World of Warcraft account every goddamn day! How would I know it was you? How would I know it was you? I fucking wouldn't! And you guys told me to get an authenticator. You remember that? You said get an authenticator, everything will be safe. Everything will be safe. Well, that's your fucking authenticator. I have it right here. It's right here. I paid $2.99 to be safe. Now, what good does it do me? Huh? Because along with the information, they got my authenticator number. What happened to you guys? What happened to you guys? You used to have 12 million people every month suckling at your teat, trying to get some of your electric sap, some of your electric milk. 12 million people paying $15 a month. You make $2 billion a year. NASA put a fucking rover on Mars for less than you fucking get in a year. And you can't come up with a computer that can get my fucking information, you motherfucker! You psychopathic! You can't keep a 12-year-old kid with a Tandy, with a fucking iPad, from getting my social security number! Who's making decisions for your company? Who's figuring it out? Who at the end of the day thinks this is the right way to run a fucking company? It ain't me! It ain't me, I'm smarter than you! Cataclysm? It's a cataclysm for your game! As if you don't have 3 million less subscribers! Diablo 2 is the most successful game of all time! Diablo 3, you expect itemization to be the high-end content, you forgot to itemize it! Mr. Pandaria, who the fuck wants to play a panda? I don't want to play a panda! I play a panda in real life! How many fucking pandas, how many panda-sized people did you see in the fucking Olympics this year? None! Nobody wants to be a fucking panda! Now I'm gonna have to change all my passwords. You know how many years it took me to remember my old password? It was password 123. You cocksuckers. You sons of bitches. I didn't expect you to make good games, okay? I gave it up on that dream. I gave up on that fucking dream. But at the very fucking least, I expect you to keep my social security number!